morning, you all are welcome to this channel. So today this channel will tell you that how to link your AutoCAD to your Autodesk account, means how to create your AutoCAD account. So without wasting a time, just start this tutorial. So if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to our channel. So watch this tutorial completely. So what you need to do means just go to open your AutoCAD. So I have opened my AutoCAD and I'm using AutoCAD 2020. So no need to worry, this will applicable for all of the versions. So before going to create your account in Autodesk and you want to link your AutoCAD account to Autodesk, you need to have your internet connection. So you can see it here, this has been connected, right? So you need to have internet connection. Now what you need to do means, as you can see, this is ribbon bar, right? And these are some of the toolbars. So in the right corner means you can see here sign in. As you know, many of you are using internet, right? And most of the time you have seen this sign in option at everywhere, in every places while you are surfing your internet, right? Like in Facebook, WhatsApp, and everywhere you are some. If you want to create any account in anything like LinkedIn, Facebook, then it says you sign in. Before going to sign in, you need to sign up, right? So today I'm going to tell you how to sign in your AutoCAD account, means how to sign up your Autodesk account and you link your Autodesk. So what you need to do means you just go to sign in, means beside of the sign in you can see one arrow is here. You can see it here, it is very minute. So just go and click it here. If you click it, you can see sign in to Autodesk account. So if you are new, means you do not know, sign in means this sign in is for those who have already created their Autodesk account. But if you are not created your Autodesk account, so no need to worry, I am going to tell you how to create your Autodesk account and how to link it, means how to sign in on that. So go to click it. Now sign into Autodesk account. So I do not have AutoCAD or Autodesk account, so I need to sign in. So before going to sign in, I need to sign up. Sign up means create, sign in means existing account. So sign in, go to sign in. So you can see Autodesk sign in. So if you have your Autodesk account, means previously you have created your Autodesk account, now you need to keep your Gmail ID what you have linked to your Autodesk. So you go and click it here in this. So if you do not have any AutoCAD means Autodesk account, so you need to go for new to Autodesk. So yes, I am new, I want to create my account, right? Just go and click it here, create account. So after this you have this type of panel will open. So what you need to do means you can see this and you understand everything. Create account, right? So first name, last name, email, confirm email, password. So what you need to do means just go to the first name. So I will keep my first name as Prem. Now go to last name, Ronia. After that I need to keep my Gmail ID. So whatever you have, you can just go and insert it at the rate gmail.com. So confirm your email. So this account already exists, so I need to keep the account which is not existed. So I have my another Gmail ID, so I'm going to insert it, Nayak Jha 2 at the rate gmail.com. So after that it says you confirm your email ID, means this email ID you need to go for it. So you can see right of it correct, means tick mark is there. It means that I haven't created my account previously, so it says tick. So now what you need to do, same, go for the same text, means insert your same Gmail ID here, which you have given to the up @ gmail.com. So now you need to create your password also. So you can see this has been matched, so this both have been ticked. So password should be at least one letter, means at least you need to keep your one letter, at least it should be one number, minimum of 8 characters, means it should have 8 numbers, means 8 characters, so at least 3 unique characters. So keep your password according to these instructions, follow this and keep it. So you can use your uppercase as well as your lowercase also. So you need to keep one of your uppercase. So you know uppercase means capitalization, capital. So let's see it has been accepted. It should be minimum of 8 characters, and some of the instruction were given to that you need to follow that. So what it says, I agree to the Autodesk term of use and acknowledge the privacy statement. So okay, so you need to go for ticked it. Now go to create account. It says saving. Now you can see this auto means Autodesk create account created. This single account gives you access to all your Autodesk product, means what it says, this single account gives you access to all your Autodesk products. So no need to worry, I will tell you about this benefit also, why you are means creating your Autodesk account, means that is lot of benefit from there. I will tell you that also, no need to worry. So here you can see, thank you for your interest in Autodesk, check this box to receive electronic message, means email, including marketing email at the address you provided, means address in the sense that mail from Autodesk, including on the emerging trends, events, solutions, and exclusive opportunities. Autodesk will personalize the content we send you based on how you interact with the message. So no need to read all of this. Now you need to know some privacy. Now go and tick it, and now go for done. So this is not ticked. Now you need to do, see, now it has been cut. Now go for sign into account, means your account has been created. Now what you need to do, see what Gmail means you have kept for creating your account. So I have kept Nayak Jha 2 @gmail.com, right? Go for the next. It's verifying. Now your password, what you have kept your password as it is, you need to keep as you have kept while you were creating your Autodesk account. So now I'm going to tell you that how to link your AutoCAD to your Autodesk account. Right now you need to keep your password as you have kept previously. So click it here like this. So go for the sign in. Now see what it says. See, protect your account, means Autodesk said that two-step verification. If somebody is have your Gmail and that password, then the person can interrupt you. So it says for your two-step verification. You may have gone through this, means if you all are using your smartphone, right? In your smartphone, if somebody using your Gmail ID and you also want to log in your Gmail ID to other account, that person needs your some screen, means that permits they want. So like this only, if you do not want to, then no need to do remind me later, you can do or get started. So I'm going just for remind me later. Just this tutorial is for you how to log in your account, means to Autodesk. So remind me later. So what you need to see, you can see something here. See here, the best thing is, see here your account, means this AutoCAD. The main thing I want to tell you that AutoCAD is the software of Autodesk has developed the software, not only the AutoCAD, most of the softwares of civil engineering as well as mechanical, electrical has been developed by Autodesk, like AutoCAD, 360 Fusion, and many more things are there for AutoCAD. So you can see it here. Nayak Jha is already logged in with this. So auto account details. Just go for it. Now click it. Now you can see Nayak Jha means this has been Prem Roniar. So my nickname has a Prem Roniar and email ID is nayakjha2@gmail.com. Autodesk ID. This is your Autodesk ID. Nayakjha. Now you can change your password also. Now go to edit profile. You can edit your last name and first name. So my first name will be Prem sorry Nayak, because I have logged in this to my previous account, so that it says. So go for JHA and language what you prefer, just go for it. So English, most of the things will be in English. Just saving it. So save. Now you can see this. If you clicked means this is your photo, right? This is your profile. So once you keep your mouse here and go for the right click, so it says something. See, once you go for the right click, forward, reload, view, page, source, save image, copy image URL, copy images or URL. So the main motto for you is that I just want to tell you that how to link your Autodesk to means Autodesk account, how to create your Autodesk account. So the main thing I have told you. Now the things what you can get the benefit from that. So just minimize it. Now go to the Google Chrome. Now you can see this Google Chrome has been opened. You also go for it. Now you can see it here, appsautodesk.com. So you type it here and click it. So now I want to check whether my Autodesk account is exist or not in my Autodesk. So this is the Autodesk. You can see this is the, go for the store plugins like that. Now what you need to do means the main software I'm going to tell you. See, this is the main website for the Autodesk. So now you can see this is your Autodesk. So here you can see lot of softwares are there. So these softwares are mainly used for all of the people means who are doing their civil engineering, architectural engineering, as well as their mechanical engineering. A lot of the engineering field, it will help them. So you can see the first product of this Autodesk, AutoCAD, Revit, BIM 360 means Building Information Modeling 360, Inventor, Fusion 360, 3D Max, Maya Robotic Structure, lot of things. Autodesk Advanced Steel, AutoCAD Architectural, Autodesk Civil 3D, AutoCAD MEP. MEP means Mechanical Electrical Plumbing Works. So there is a lot of website means softwares are there. So whether you have your account or not, just go and check it. Just go for sign in. Once you have clicked in your sign in, now you have already your account in your Autodesk, right? As I have created Nayak Jha 2 at the rate gmail.com. Just go for it. Now password what you have kept for it, just go to this. Now you can see it has been showing that this is your account. So Nayak Jha has been. So if you want to purchase any kind of the things, any kind of software, now you can see my downloads, whitelisted, wish listed, publisher corner, account settings, sign out, my downloads, whatever the things you can download from Autodesk, that will be appear here, but you do not have downloaded it, right? So I hope this tutorial is really helpful for you. So the much more benefit you can get it from here. So security setting, linked accounts, so this will really help you. See, these are the things, preference, while you are clicking, and you will get a lot of things from there that will really helps to you. So just go to this. Now you have, now what you need to do means whatever the plan you are drawing, that will be saved in your this Autodesk account. Now I hope you have liked this tutorial very much. For liking this tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and like it, and do press the bell icon for getting more updates regarding my channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching this tutorial.